back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. So today, we have an unboxing. I did say after my Boxycharm video that maybe I'm going to find something else to unbox, so I did. I spent $25 on an Etsy beauty mystery box, but this is what came. It's pretty small for $25. It's full, but it's like, what is in here? I did not expect this box to be so small. If you don't know, the Boxycharm subscription box, the base box, is around $25, $30. They did raise their prices, but I was actually just sick and tired of getting shitty variations. I had the Boxycharm Premium, and it was just getting worse. The price went up again, and instead of spending $50 a month, I was just done. It was 2 years of the bullshit, and I couldn't do it anymore. At all. So, I went ahead and found an Etsy mystery box. If you guys want to see more series of this, I can try another vendor on Etsy. I can try an eBay mystery box too. Or if you guys want to create a mystery box for me, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Make sure you follow me there. But if you DM me and you're interested, let me know in the comments. Or just hit me up on Instagram and we'll go through. But guys, I'm just ready to see what's in here. It can be worse than Boxycharm. It's less than Boxycharm with taxes now. So let's find out. If you guys already see what I got in this Etsy mystery box, and hopefully it's not a scam, keep on watching. All right. I have no idea what's in it. There's no real description. It literally says, my address was blocked out. Y'all can't even ask or try to sneak. But it says, warning, this package will cause extreme happiness. And I don't know, I'm a little underwhelmed at the size of the box, but you know, people lie and say it's not the size. I just hope there's good things in here. It's well taped up, I'll tell you that. All right, so we're gonna take this all back out of retirement. We have the former Boxycharm mermaid knife. Now it's just the mermaid knife for unboxings. And we're gonna try to get up in here. All right, and we have this box. So it was $25. I did see other more expensive boxes, but I just picked one. If it's bad, I'm not gonna put them in the description box, but if it is good, I'll link it down below. Because why not? I just figured it can't be worse than Boxycharm, right? Boxycharm literally gave me old dirty shit. Boxycharm literally gave me old dirty shit. So, ooh, okay. So we have some packaging. Honestly, Etsy stores always have great packaging. Their customer service is always, I love. My planner stickers, I used to get them from Hey Planner Girl, and it's amazing. They give you a little welcome kit. It gives you your name and decal. Great. No longer printing stuff, only doing digital stuff right now, so I don't get it. But if that store comes back, check it out. It's on Etsy. So we got a nice little wrapping heart. It says thank you with a little mwah, kissy sticker on it. All right. Okay. So it's kind of full. I'm already surprised to see this name brand stuff. So this is Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss. Wow, Stila is guys. And this is in Empowering. I'm assuming it's that color. Wow, I like Stila stuff. I really just like their glitters. Really, really good. Wow. Look at this. So far, so good. I don't know how much anything costs, but I saw Anastasia in there. Might be good. Oh, this is pretty. Guys, I'm really, really surprised. I thought that little ass box is not it, but there's stuff in here. All right. But there's stuff in there. So that's the color. It's actually really, really pretty. It's like a nice little topper. Okay, Stila. Wow. I'm really, really shocked. Guys, I had a lot of iced coffee too, so please bear with me. I'm a mess. So next, another Stila product. What the? This is a Transcendence. That's the shade. It's Heaven's Hue Highlighter. Wow. Everything's really light. Ooh, it's pretty. Doesn't look used. Just gotta make sure, you know? So here it is. Very pretty color. Oh, it's first of all, it feels like fucking butter. Try not to curse, try to be nice. Wow. Well, it's very, very light. So it's like a lighter version. It's like a lighter version of my Hot Shot by Nomad Cosmetics. So like a softer one. Pretty good. I just really want to make sure that it wasn't used. So I'm just gonna pop this back on here. So far, I could actually use these things, and I'm really surprised at the brand. So this is probably gonna be a very, very quick video. So this is actually pretty dirty. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It's a facial serum I'm not putting on my face as is, but it looks like it's dirty because, ooh, well, the packaging is dirty. I'm gonna give a close-up of this. Well, there goes a flashback of Boxycharm literally gave me all dirty shit. Boxycharm, but yeah. So I'm probably not gonna put the store down below because the product is pretty dirty. But it looks like it's dirty, one, because it probably was sitting around. Two, because there used to be like a price tag here and that was taken off. But I'll do a close-up of this. I'm not happy. I don't even wanna, like, probably gonna toss this. But it's $25. I can't be too mad. Ugh, it just looks, I don't know. Smells like whatever. This is a Valjean Labs Restore, I don't know what that says, plus zinc facial serum. It's supposed to be a super concentrated serum. Will purify. Yeah, what does it do? What does it do? It says that addresses specific skincare needs. It's not telling me. I'm not putting this on my face. Sorry, but it is. It's really dirty. Thanks. So here is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Malt, which is a brown. Let's hope that it wasn't used. Taking a look at everything. This kind of looks pretty, yeah. Oh, I don't know if I put this on my mouth, but it just looks like the outside packaging has been like it fell, or it's like a scratch or something, or there was like a sticker here. I don't know. But okay, it's actually brand new. You can always tell by the top, like it was never opened. It's a really pretty brown though. So I can use this. I'm just like the facial serum, I don't know. I do not know. But this is brand new, so I can definitely use it. That facial serum is going in the fucking garbage. It looks really, really gross. Like when it's gross. You guys are gonna see. Or you've already seen. Gross. But honestly, I'm not really like that upset, but that is the risk you run with buying products online from like a person. There's still stuff in here, like quite a bit of stuff in here. So here's this big, this is dirty too. It's mad dirty. Like it's just old Bare Minerals. It says Gen Nude Eyeshadow Plus Primer, which is probably just the shade is Exposed. This makes me feel dirty. This is fucking nasty. You guys can't, I just can't. But it's an eyeshadow primer. As long as this isn't like used, I'll go ahead and use it. But the box is pretty gross. And I can't tell if this is used. Well, yeah, this probably was used. It's kind of dirty. Like the other one was brand new, brand new. This is it smells like fucking paint. Like I can't. I'm afraid to use this on myself. So yeah, this was a no also. So out of 5 products, 2 are like absolutely not garbage. Those are garbage. What we got here? Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know. Dirty products. This is a Wonder Brow Step 1 Brow Gel. Perfect eyebrows that last 4 days. I don't know if you guys remember. This is really, really old. And it looks old. The packaging looks, is there 2 in here? Because it looks like 2 of the same box. Yeah, so there's 2 in here. It's the perfect brows in under 2 minutes. So this is the Wonder 2. and One Step Brow Gel. It doesn't look to be like used or open. It just looks really old, like it is old. And if I remember this correctly, was this like the brow tint thing? Yeah, see, it is brand new, but like it's separated because it's really, really old. And there's 2 of these, and I don't even wanna, I'm not even gonna. This is probably garbage because it's really, really old. Like I kinda wanna look up how old these things actually were. Got my handy dandy phone, and this is the Wonder 2 Wonder Brow. Let's see. When did it come out? Is it still around? Like they still make these, but this looks old as fuck. Okay, so they still make this. They have their website. They offer Afterpay. I just can't try it. It just looks really, really old and separated. So I cannot trust this. And it's 22 door hair. Ooh. Okay, I think it came out in 2017. I'm not 100% sure, but that's why. Oh, in 2016. This is the best-selling Amazon beauty product. So maybe around there, but that's really old. And I feel like that's where this packaging is from. We're gonna toss this. So there's 3 products, technically 4 items, because why did I need 2? I didn't. All right, and there is still 3 products left in here. So let's check it out. So this is first of all, it has a little note. It says a headband to push your hair back while doing your face. So let's we got a fake Gucci headband. I don't even need to open it. If somebody wants this, let me know. Okay. Okay. And what's all this Stila? This one looks pretty beat up. Just looks like the sticker was taken off, but you know how hard that is. So let's see what this is. Oh, sorry. This is a suede shade liquid eyeshadow. Don't look bad. Ugh, this one actually looks used. So garbage again. And the color is just pretty ugly. It's like mud. Like a purple tinted mud. But it's dirty, which means it's been opened before and it's been used. It kind of feels really light, like it's dry. Oh, guys, what started off pretty good is looking like a bust. And it looks like I only got 3 items that I could actually use out of this. But you know what? This is... It's just like Boxycharm. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. So how was you guys' day? Yeah? Okay, pretty short video, I guess, but it is what it is. I have one final product in the box. It is, I don't know what it is, Smith & Cult Prismatic Lip Sheen in bronze. Box is pretty, whatever. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too dirty. I was about to say, it was a white thing on the bottom. I was like, is there anything fucking in here? But, open the wrong way. Okay, here we go. For real this time, guys. Here it is. How is it dirty in the box? There's lint all over it. There's fingerprints all over it. It wasn't used, but like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. It wasn't used. I give them that. Like they probably opened it, but it's definitely not used. Okay. Let's do it here. Oh, it's actually really pretty. Can y'all see? It's the gold thing there. What if I do it here? Can you guys see better there? I don't know. But that's it. Pretty much a glitter stick. Yeah, it's pretty much a glitter stick. It says Lip Prismatic Sheen. I would probably use this on my face as like a highlight stick or cream highlight. I think that would be better. But yeah, I guess that's it. The products that I can use and will use, I can use this thing, the highlight. Can I use this? Did I open this? The liquid lipstick? I had to have. I could use this liquid lipstick in Malt. It's a very pretty deep brown, chocolate brown, unused, and this is also unused by Stila. So I have 4 things that I can use and about 5 things that I can't. One of the 5 things is the same thing twice, but I mean, for $25, $27 with tax and shipping, I think I walked away with a Boxycharm-esque box. Except I kind of was either expecting some good things, I thought it could be okay, or it was gonna be a complete scam. So, I'm not mad. You know, I knew my risks going into this, and it's fine. So, what I do want to say is, will I do this again with another vendor on Etsy? Maybe, if you guys want to see it. Will I do this again with an eBay beauty mystery box? Maybe, if you guys want to see it. But you guys have to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up for me, because I spent my coins on some stuff and some of it wasn't good at all. At all. But actually pretty surprised with the things that I did get that I can use. Pretty good value for the Stila and the Anastasia. Were they probably on sale somewhere? Who gives a shit? $25 box. Not too mad. Not that I made money. Not that that's not a lot of money. But it was cheaper than Boxycharm. And I had no expectations. So there. And it could have honestly just been a scam. But it was okay. And because it was only okay and there was some dirty products in there, like when I showed, you guys have seen by now. Dirty. Okay. Oh, and I got a fake Gucci headband that from afar, it looks like the Gucci symbol, but up close, these really fake far ass G's. So, whatever. But I mean, if you want it, let me know. It's just a headband to keep your hair back. So who cares what it is? Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Might happen again, but at least I didn't get scammed completely. If you haven't already, because I'm done here. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.